This is a call out to Matt Watson and Jan Mice in the UK. You guys, I want one or both of you. If I can get you guys on the podcast, it would be phenomenal. It would be great. Oh, have you been on a podcast before? I'm not sure because I don't live in the UK. I'm in Lafayette, Louisiana, across the pond in the United States. I host Intersections IPE, which is a podcast by an automotive detailer. I am an award-winning automotive detailer in my area, unparalleled, unmatched, and I look up to you guys. Matt Watson, I'm constantly watching you in my shop, drag racing and reviewing cars and everything like that. I admire you, man. I want you on my podcast. Yanni Mais, you own a car customization shop. And you do some high profile stuff. And dude, you sold your Taycan. I don't understand. I'd love to talk to you about that. Even though you did a video on it, I watched it, but it'd be great just to talk to you about what it's like owning that shop, what it takes to get to that level, because that's my next step, is to get to your level, man, but do it in my area. So this call out is for you two guys. Check my podcast out if you're bored and you have nothing to do. It's a long-form podcast. I'm pretty sure if you're familiar with Joe Rogan, that is kind of the style of mine. Look how nice my video is. It is so nice. I have a personality as well, so I think we would vibe. So, guys, I'd love to have you on there. If you're interested, go to https://intersections.show. Scroll to the bottom, click on the email, or just simply send me a message.